Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your neighbor next door, Mr. Rogers, and today I need a little help. I'm in my 05 Accord and I'm having a couple issues. Car won't start, but in fact, I'll just let you see what happens. Put the key in the ignition. That's all I get. As you can see, my gear shifter indicators did not come up. That's been an issue. The brake pedal is very hard, so I can't shift out or park, anything like that. So yeah. Also, my scanner I have here, it won't communicate with the computer. It keeps saying that it has a communication error once it gets to about 96%. So if you guys have experienced this or have any suggestions, just please let me know. Comment, and I'll try to get back to you guys. Thank you.